if you want to see how I got my hair like this using this Revlon heating brush, keep on watching. I look pretty ridiculous, but let's get into it. Heat protectant. Plug that in. And then I have my Revlon brush, which I have a lot of wig hair on. So I've used it on my wigs, but I haven't used it on my actual natural hair. So that's why I'm making this video, so that we can see how this Revlon heated brush works on natural hair. All right, so we're gonna put it on low, just to see what it does. I know if I put it on high, that's gonna be much better. But it's still quite hot. It's dry, but it's not stretched the way I want it to be. So yeah. Okay, not bad. Now the roots are definitely a little puffy still, but that's cool. Let's continue. All right, so I'm done with the left side, and yeah, let's see. Let's compare. So it doesn't get my hair bone straight, of course. It's more of a blowout, of course. What am I saying? So what I think about the Revlon brush is that it's efficient. It's good for if you want to dry your hair really quickly, like to get braids done, etc. It's definitely cool to have, and it's a useful tool. However, it doesn't really get into the roots, and it does get a little hot. So whenever you're doing this area right here, be careful with your ears because they will get burnt. What else can I say about it? I like that it dries my hair fairly quickly. Because it's a brush, I wish it did like stretch it out a little bit more, being that it's not like I'm just going like that with like a traditional blower. It's actually, you know, combing the hair out, but it's cool, whatever. I dig it. I did have to pass it various times to get it to straighten my hair a little bit more. give you a close-up. If you like flat iron your hair after this, I'm sure you'll be fine. If you want like a bone straight look. If you have natural hair, I think it's okay. However, if your hair is more on the thin side, wavy, then you won't have an issue. It will definitely straighten your hair nicely, give you some nice, you know, volume and all that good stuff. But natural hair, ladies, is gonna serve you just for like drying purposes, not so much making it bone straight. And those ends, girl, good luck. Them ends, good luck. If they're as thick as mine are, good luck. You're gonna need a flat iron if you're really trying to achieve that straight look. But yeah, it's just a blowout. Let's go to the next side. I also want to give you a little tip. If you have your piece of hair that you're working with, if you twist and twist and twist and apply more tension on your hair shaft or root, wherever the hell, and you pull slowly like that, you're bound to get a straighter result. But if you ain't got time for all that and you just don't really care too much, do you, boo? I also want to make note about this Revlon heating brush. It's very bulky and your hands will hurt after. If you have a lot of hair like mine and you strain a lot and you're tugging and pulling your hair, my hands is red. Yeah, I wish it were like thinner here maybe or something. I don't know. It's heavy. It's so heavy. My arms are so tired. But you know, it doesn't take as long as it would with the traditional blower. Because with the traditional blower, I would have had, you know, a brush on one hand and then the blower on the other, and then, you know, trying to do the chase method. But yeah, I wish it wasn't so heavy and bulky and this wasn't so damn thick. Like, this don't need to be thick. All right, so now I'm going to proceed by actually styling my hair. As always, if you are not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button right over here or over here. It's in one of these little corners, you'll find it. Thanks for watching. Bye.